Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the controller and remove the batteries so nothing moves while you work. Use a Torx T8 and small Phillips. The screw under the sticker and the 4 back screws come out first. Pry gently with a plastic tool along the seam until the shell separates. Do not force metal tools, or you'll strip plastic clips. Once open, set the board on a clean towel, note ribbon cable positions, and remove the faceplate screws so you can access the analog module directly. Now focus on the analog module itself. Desoldering is not required if you carefully unclip the module, but you must note its orientation for reassembly. Blow out dust with compressed air. Then, apply high-purity isopropyl and a contact cleaner designed for electronics into the potentiometer gaps while moving the stick through its full range to dislodge grime. If cleaning doesn't stop drift, replace the module. Either order the exact OEM part or transplant from a donor controller. This is the only reliable long-term solution when pots are worn. Reassemble by reversing steps. Seat the module, reconnect ribbon cables, and tighten screws evenly. Do not over-torque. Reinstall batteries and connect to your console, then calibrate using the Xbox Accessories app or console settings to confirm neutral dead zone and full travel. If drift persists, double-check seating and grounding, repeat targeted cleaning, or swap in another module. Sometimes a bad solder joint or misaligned pad causes issues. If nothing works, replacement controller is the final fallback. Don't keep risking damaged boards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.